I'd like to see some hands from people I haven't seen speaking in whole group yet today. Who thinks that they could explain their thinking for question 1? Still waiting to see a few more hands. Lots of people have work done in their notebooks. Okay, Mamadou, what do you think about question 1?
Question 1, I'll say it's 1/2.
Okay, can you explain how you came up with 1/2?
Because they both equal. They both equal, and one half of it is shaded in, and the other half is not.
Okay,
so
can you come up to the board and point and show us what you're looking at? Just there's a diagram right there. Can you come up and show? Did everyone hear what Mamadou said? You should be thinking already about his reason. Who can repeat what Mamadou said? Okay, well, if you're listening carefully, you should always be able to tell what someone just said. Devon, what did he say?
He said he's looking at the school rectangle, and he's saying it's 1/2 of the rectangle. Not just he's not looking at the whole. He just
Wait. Let him talk. Don't go on to explain it yet. Okay, Mamadou, go ahead. You're going to use the big one?
half of it.
Just a second. Everyone should be looking up at where Mamadou's pointing. Otherwise, you won't understand his explanation. Sean, this way. Look up there. Okay?
They both equal, and half of it is shaded in, so that makes it 1/2.
Okay, so let's look at our working ideas about fractions that we were doing earlier today. Can someone say what, or maybe you should say, what are you calling the whole? When you're looking at the whole, what are you looking? Can you put your finger around the part you're calling the whole? Okay. So do you see where he just pointed?
Yes.
Okay. And where are the equal parts? Can you show us the equal parts?
These two.
Okay. And how many parts are shaded? 1. Okay. Raise your hand if you understand what Mamadou did. Who knows what Mamadou did to get his answer of 1/2? I don't want to hear how you agree or disagree. I just want you to tell me, what did he do? Calvin.
He just made the part where the blue part is shaded. He just used that rectangle as a whole.
Okay, let's draw it on here so we can keep our original picture. You used this to be the whole, right? Can everyone see this?
Yes.
And what did he do then, Calvin?
And then he saw that one part was shaded and the other part wasn't. So
And are these two equal parts? So if Mamadou calls this the whole, is he right that that's 1/2?
Yes.
Yes. Now the question asks you something a little bit different. So who can tell everybody what question we're trying to answer? What Mamadou did is right, but he used something different to be the whole. Good job, Mamadou. Now pay attention to what the other question was that we're answering too, okay? You can go sit down. Thank you. All right, so look at question 1. Would somebody read it and say, what are we supposed to interpret the whole to be from that question? How about Ariel? Can you read question 1?
What fraction of the big rectangle is shaded blue?
Okay, and what do you think is meant by the big rectangle?
The whole rectangle?
What whole rectangle? You want to come up and show us? Mamadou, are you watching?
All this.
Okay, the whole big rectangle. Okay? So now I need someone to explain, if you look at the whole big rectangle as the whole, okay, now we want to talk about all of this. The question asks, if you use the whole big rectangle to be the whole, how much is shaded blue? Mamadou, do you see the difference between the question you answered and this question? Okay, what's the difference?
You gotta try to figure out of the whole square.
Out of the whole rectangle, and you used what?
And I did half of the rectangle.
You did a smaller part of the rectangle, okay?